Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell and Back on guitar. This easy guide will break down the song into manageable steps, perfect for beginners. We'll cover the essential chords, a simple strumming pattern, and how to put it all together. You'll be playing along in no time, building your confidence and skills. Let's get started on your journey to mastering this awesome track. The core of Hell and Back uses just a few open chords. You'll primarily need G, C, D, and M. Practice switching between these smoothly, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. Don't rush. Accuracy is more important than speed initially. If you find some chords tricky, a capo can sometimes simplify the fingerings, making it easier to play.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more guitar lessons. And on another note, after a long practice session, who wants to clean? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, perfect for keeping your practice space spotless. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
For Hell and Back, a simple down-down-up-up-down-up strumming pattern works perfectly. Listen closely to the original song to get a feel for its rhythm and tempo. Start slowly, focusing on keeping your strumming hand consistent and even. As you get more comfortable, gradually increase your speed until you can play along with the track. Understanding the song structure, like where the verses, choruses, and bridge occur, will help you navigate the piece. Break the song into smaller sections and practice each part individually until you feel confident. Once you're comfortable with the chords and strumming, try playing along with the original recording to refine your timing and feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.